Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the 2-point and radio arc tool. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here. So now previously we looked at the 3-point or 3 points arc, and today's video we're going to be looking at the arc, 2 points and radio. Now this gets a bit more complicated, or at least it can be depending on how you view it. With the previous one we knew we can select one point, another point and another point, and it will arc it by touching that point. How it's going to work today, it's going to make it its origin, its kind of rotation point, so it's going to rotate it around that. Now there's another thing that's important to mention, which we didn't before, which is relevant to the other ones as well, and that is the points which you start at. So let me quickly have a quick demonstration here. I'm going to go here to 2-point and radio. Then what happens is, if I'm going to start here at the bottom, then I click on top here. Let's just find that point. There we go. And then click the last one. You will see it rotates it in like a counterclockwise. Now if I had to go do the exact same thing but in reverse, so I'm just going to pan this quick, select the same tool. Now I'm going to go from the top and then to the arc and then back. Now it does it this way around, so it'll only do that piece. So if I delete here, you'll see it only did this little piece. So that is something to keep in mind about the arc tools. It's very handy. Like I said, I didn't mention the previous one, unfortunately, but it works for both the 3-point and the 2 and the radio one. And like I mentioned, keep in mind, this has become the rotation point. So even though we click these 2 points, it is rotating this whole thing around this. So depending on how far this is out, if we bring it closer, we will get something a little bit more sharper, further, more flat. Then another thing to keep in mind, that you might think, okay, I'm going to use this as my point, rotate it around it, so I've got a nice circle. Select the tool, we select 1, 2, 3, and then you notice nothing happens. So if these lines all parallel, unfortunately it does not work it as an actual point, so just make sure you offset it a bit if you want to get a better result. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the 2 points and radio arc. Like I said, just keep in mind it rotates it around whichever point it was selected. So instead of crossing through it, it's going to rotate around it, and depending on the direction you selected, it's going to be whether it's going clockwise or counterclockwise. So it's a handy little feature. So if you want to make something inwards, you will go this way around, outwards, so this way around. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the feature. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training video you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.